everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantal, also known as Chantal's Pretty Little DIYs, and today I have some beautiful fall crafts to share with you. So without further ado, let's get into this video. And if you do enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your presence. Now let's get into the DIYs. In this DIY, I'm simply using a Dollar Tree glass and some other items that I saved from a broken lamp. I have used these items in other DIYs. What I like to do, I like to take them apart and upcycle them to other DIYs. So as you can see here, I'm using some hot glue and I'm going to attach the parts that I saved from the broken lamp. Please don't mind my nails. I wanted to go and do them, but I had no time. I've had such a busy week. However, I had these DIYs in mind and I wanted to get them out of the way. This is what it should look like once it's dry. I went ahead and added a bauble. This bauble I created for my daughter's unicorn birthday party. And I will place a link in the description box to show you how I've created the baubles. Now this DIY is very simple and easy. I'm going to use some diamond that I purchased from a dollar store, and I'm going to use a Dollar Tree vase. And of course the gold item was also from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to add the diamonds into the vase, and I'm going to use the tray as a candle holder. I'm going to place it on top of the vase and place a candle on top of it. This candle turned out to be too big, so I'm going to use a smaller Dollar Tree candle. And this should complete the job. This DIY was another upcycled DIY. So my friend hired me to decorate her graduation party about 2 years ago, and she did not want to keep the centerpieces. And I told her I would take them, and I have kept them in my garage for about 2 years now, and I've decided to upcycle them to some fall crafts. I'm going to link a video so I can show you what the original centerpiece looked like. This is what the original centerpiece looked like before I upcycled it into a full DIY. I'm also adding some bling that I picked up from the dollar store. So the bling comes in strips of 3s. I'm going to cut 1 row out of it and I'm going to use just 2 row. But it was so hard to do it on camera, so I went ahead and continued it off camera because it was very sticky. What I should have done is I should have left the cover behind it so I can cut it off. However, I don't know why I did that. Forgive me. So I did go ahead and cut it off camera and continued with the DIY. FYI, if you're deciding to recreate this DIY, you do not have to spray the bottom of the book because it's not going to show. So please save your spray paint. And this is what it looked like when I was done adding the bling. Now let's combine all of the DIYs so that we can create a fall aesthetic. These glam pumpkins were purchased at the Dollar Tree, and I was not able to use them last year, but I have used them in other DIYs, but you would not be able to see them because they were inside of a napkin. Now for the next DIY, I've purchased this mirror at Target a while back when I first moved into my home. And I've purchased a magnolia arch on Amazon. Unfortunately, they're no longer available, but I did purchase it for $10. Now I'm going to place a little wire that I used to hang my ornaments around the branch, and I'm going to puncture the rattan part of the mirror, and that is the end of this DIY. If you've made it this far into this video, I'd like to have you around. Thank you so much for visiting my page, and thank you so much for watching this video. And please don't forget to interact with the video so that it can boost my channel. Share and subscribe, and you're always welcome to come back for more.